Tired of spending hours trying to come up with the perfect social media caption, only to get 5 likes and 0 sales? What if I told you there's a way to build an AI agent that writes high-performing social media posts for you, in your voice, tailored to your business, and you don't need to know how to code? This could literally change how you show up online. So if you run a business or sell anything online, stick around, because I'm going to show you how to build your own AI content machine that works for you 24/7. Hey everyone, welcome to the Digital Profit Hacks channel, your go-to place for turning AI and automation into real income online. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. All right, let's talk about how to make AI your personal content writer, one that doesn't get tired, doesn't charge by the hour, and actually understands your audience. Here's the reality. Social media is one of the fastest ways to build brand awareness and drive sales. But it also burns people out. You have to post consistently, stay on brand, use the right hashtags, adapt your tone for each platform, and still stand out in a sea of noise. That's where AI comes in. Not as a replacement for you, but as your assistant, your secret weapon to stay consistent without losing your mind. Let's break this down. So first, you need a solid AI model. And thankfully, we're spoiled for choice. You've got ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. All of them are powerful when it comes to generating human-like content. But for this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple and go with ChatGPT, since it's widely available and integrates smoothly with most automation tools. But here's the thing. We're not just typing prompts manually. We're building a full-on agent. That means a system that doesn't wait for you to log in and give it instructions. It works automatically, pulling data, generating content, and sending it where it needs to go. To make this happen, we're using a tool called Make.com. If you've never used Make before, imagine it like building with Lego blocks. Each block is a tool: ChatGPT, Google Sheets, Instagram. You just drag, drop, and connect. No coding, no confusing interface. You literally draw a line from get idea to write caption to send to scheduler. It's addictive. And once you automate one thing, you'll start seeing workflows everywhere. Here's how the workflow comes together. First, you create a reusable prompt template. This is where you teach the AI your brand's personality and style. Something like, you are a social media manager for a modern skincare brand. Write a friendly, engaging Instagram caption promoting a new vitamin C serum. Use a tone that's confident, but not pushy. You can tweak that to fit your niche, whether you're selling digital products, coaching services, physical products, or running a local business. Next, inside Make.com, you connect your data source. Maybe a Google Sheet with content ideas or a Notion page where you plan campaigns. The agent pulls in the content idea, sends it to ChatGPT using the prompt you defined, and in seconds gets back a full post, caption, tone, hashtags, ready to go. From there, the post can be sent straight to Buffer or Publer for scheduling. And if you want to get fancy, you can even hook into Instagram's API via Zapier or Publer for auto posting. Now, let's bring this to life. Say you run a coffee shop. The AI could create something like, behind the scenes, meet Sarah, the barista who makes your mornings better. She's been with us for 3 years and makes the best almond milk latte in town. Local coffee. Barista love. Totally human, totally engaging, but fully generated by your AI assistant. Or let's say you're selling an ebook on productivity. The agent could write, selling digital products? Here's a content tip. Teach something useful in your caption. Then let curiosity drive the clicks. Your content should always serve before it sells. Infopreneur, passive income. Let's go further. Say you're a fitness coach. The AI might say, you don't need more motivation, you need momentum. 1 rep at a time. Let's get it. No excuses. Strong body, strong mind. Or maybe you're a wedding photographer. Your post could read, golden hour, genuine laughter, a moment that lasts forever. Here's one of my favorite shots from last weekend. Wedding season, Nayark captured love. Even if you sell handmade candles or run an Etsy shop, the agent could create cozy, aesthetic captions that speak your customer's language. It adapts to your voice, your niche, and your vibe, all based on how you set up the prompt. And you can train your agent to switch styles based on the platform. It might write a polished, insight-driven post for LinkedIn, a more relaxed and playful caption for Instagram, or a rapid-fire thread for X Twitter. It all depends on how you structure the prompts. And once you dial that in, the results feel natural, not robotic. Want to go even deeper? You can connect DAL or Leonardo to auto-generate image suggestions for each post based on the topic. You can even build in a hashtag generator that pulls tags from a curated list depending on the product, niche, or theme of the post. The crazy part? Once the system is live, you're no longer starting from zero. The AI gives you the first draft. You review, tweak if needed, and you're done. You're not stuck staring at a blank screen wondering what to write. That phase is over. Now, to be clear, AI isn't perfect. In fact, the best results happen when AI works with you, not instead of you. You provide the direction, the tone, the little quirks your audience loves. The agent brings the speed, structure, and scalability. Think of it like hiring an intern that never sleeps and never complains, but still needs supervision. You still add the final touch. You still decide when to post, what to emphasize, and when to break the rules. That's your edge. AI isn't here to erase your personality. It's here to free it. It doesn't replace your voice, your creativity, your judgment. What it does is remove the heavy lifting. It gives you a head start so you can focus on strategy, storytelling, and growing your brand. Here's a hypothetical example. Let's say you're a freelance content creator managing social media for 3 clients, maybe a local gym, a handmade candle shop, and a productivity coach. You're spending 6 to 8 hours every week brainstorming ideas, writing captions, finding hashtags, and scheduling posts. It's exhausting, and you know you can't scale unless something changes. Now imagine setting up a content agent using ChatGPT and Make.com. You build a simple workflow. Pull content ideas from a spreadsheet, send them to ChatGPT using a tailored prompt, get back full captions with hashtags, and push everything to your scheduler. With that system running, you go from 6 to 8 hours to just 90 minutes a week. Suddenly, you've got room to take on new clients, or to finally build your own audience. You even package this system into an AI-optimized content bundle and start offering it as a premium service. Your income increases, your stress drops, and you're no longer chained to content calendars every night. That's the kind of transformation that's possible when you stop doing everything manually and start thinking like a digital strategist. And once you experience that shift, that feeling of, wait, I'm not stuck anymore, I've got momentum, it's hard to go back. You stop operating from urgency and start creating from intention. You can batch a week's worth of content in one afternoon. You can launch new offers with confidence. And you finally stop dreading the algorithm, because now you're playing on your terms. That's the power of leverage. That's what happens when you turn a repetitive task into a smart system. And we're just scratching the surface. The future of content creation is heading in this direction. Imagine this. One AI agent writes your posts, another repurposes them into reels or short-form videos, another analyzes which ones perform best and helps you optimize. This isn't a pipe dream. These are workflows people are building today. No engineering degree needed. You're still in control. You're the creative director. But now you've got a team of AI assistants working behind the scenes. Fast, cheap, and always on. And the best part? You built it yourself. If you want to try this out, I created a guide showing how to build your first AI-powered content agent using Make.com and ChatGPT. Step-by-step, no fluff. You'll find it in the first pinned comment below. And hey, if this video gave you that aha moment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Would you trust an AI to write your next social post? Thanks for watching all the way to the end. And as always, let's build, automate, and profit. See you in the next one.